Important reminder: before you assemble your Libernovo chair, please put on the provided safety gloves. Some metal or plastic parts may have sharp edges. Your safety is our priority.
With your left hand, grasp the rear support rod. With your right hand, hold the armrest. Gently lay the chair on its side. Remove screws 1 through 4. Rotate the product to the other side. Remove these 3 screws. Remove the old seat cushion. Check if the connecting rods are displaced. If a connecting rod is displaced, push it back manually. Position the new seat cushion with the crossed texture facing outward. Press down on the seat cushion to secure it in place. Lay the office chair on its side, and secure screws 1, 2, 3, and 4. While installing, press the cushion with one hand to ensure a snug fit. Rotate the product to the other side. Rotate the chair to the other side, and secure screws 1, 2, and 3.